Anyway, I was putting the Zenith clock radio into the display in the garage and had to move the recycle bin out of the way, and I found this. This was in the shed at the old house. Yeah, I'm going to wash it off outside, and yeah, it's 50 degrees. My brother left to go with his dad in Illinois, so that's pretty cool. Wish I could go with him, see kind of TVs and radios and whatever other type of appliances are out there. This, I have a fire extinguisher in my room, and right where it is, there's a hole in the wall. It's where the sprayer's not on all the way. Okay, so we're killing two birds with one stone. Covering up a hole in the wall. I'm not gonna edit this video. Actually, I will. The part for where we go here from in the house. Center jet. Too bad it's broken. Whoa. Pay attention. See how much cleaner it is. Amtrak going through, and it's starting to rain again, so let's run on in the house. Perfect timing. Let's wipe this off in the kitchen, off camera. Anyway, it's cleaned off now. The hole that was gouged in the wall is right here, so I'm gonna put it there off camera because I can't be bothered to get a tripod set up. Plus it'd be kind of awkward. Well, I guess I could try. When I need filler content, I always have no trouble finding it. I mean, to get away from CRT TVs. Does this fit in the frame? And yeah, the fire extinguisher's on the floor, and I could mount it right here on the wall, but I don't want any more holes in the wall. You're in the way of the camera. I hope the work's more important than getting a good video. Really like these combination common and Phillips screws. Now I can see if we're in frame or not. Ooh, almost perfect. Oops. Okay. I don't know where this came from, why it's so decrepit. Okay, get my head out of the way so it's not in the way of the camera. Could use an anchor, but there it is. Let's do a fade here and get another angle. Too bad I don't have that exit sign still. Forget where that came from. Maybe it came from Perkins Aircraft where my dad used to work. They tore that building down in 2013 sometime. Here's a picture of it. Just a bunch of shopping places now and whatever else. So there it is. Fire extinguisher sign. And there's the fire extinguisher down there. And once again, I'm not going to put any more holes in the wall to mount it. Plus it has just some cheesy plastic thing instead of aluminum. Anyway, that's the end of this video. The sign was whatever's under these bags. I really need to pester my grandma into starting the garage cleanup thing. She's in charge of that. I just moved on in since it's my place too. And that's where the Zenith clock radio is. Sony used to be there. Oh, and the SSD. I already showed this in the video, but the SSD I bought for this has Windows 10 on it already. So turn it on, you get that out-of-box experience. So that's pretty cool. Should be getting that Steve Gadd VHS tape in the mail, and the vacuum tube for this. Well, the TV's going away today, early. So I have other sets to use. Pretty good tube though. I like how the shadow mask looks. Hard to get good pictures and video of. Just have to own one for yourself. Still don't know what the hell this is for, this cable. Camcorder maybe? So I don't know about that. Yeah, we cleaned up a bit. Need to move the TV. Is that a person or an animal? What the hell's going on over here? Does everyone like this kind of video? Smell, man. I hate this mud. Yeah. Don't want to call attention to myself. So, we will check that out right now. Here's the package, a little bit of the package. If you get the reference. Oh, come on. Ugh. So, let's check it out. We have our new tube. So, this is going to be the next video. See if this thing works. The motor is frozen, so we're going to have to take it apart and lubricate the bearings. So, let's unwrap this.